Imagine a river flowing at high speed, carrying vital supplies. This river is not just a picturesque scene from nature. It represents something far more crucial and intimate. This isn't just any river, it's a metaphor for the lifeblood coursing through your veins, particularly the blood that flows through your brain. This river is inside your head, a vital current carrying oxygen and nutrients. Every second, this river ensures that your brain cells receive the essential elements they need to function. This is the remarkable journey of blood through your brain, a journey that happens at an astonishing speed. The blood travels through a complex network of arteries and veins, reaching every corner of your brain. In just 1 minute, your heart pumps enough blood to supply your entire brain. This relentless pumping action ensures that your brain remains nourished and oxygenated, ready to tackle any task. This continuous flow is essential for life, powering every thought, every feeling, every action. Neurons fire, synapses connect, and ideas form, all thanks to this unceasing river of blood. Think about that. Your brain, the command center of your body, relies on a constant supply of oxygenated blood. Without this steady flow, brain cells would begin to die within minutes. Without it, our ability to think, learn, remember, and experience the world around us would cease to exist. The brain's demand for oxygen is so high that it uses about 20% of the body's total oxygen supply. The speed and efficiency of this system are a testament to the intricate design of the human body. The blood vessels in the brain are incredibly fine and numerous, forming a dense network that ensures every neuron gets what it needs. Understanding how this system works is not just a matter of scientific curiosity, it's about recognizing the marvel of our own biology and the sophisticated mechanisms that sustain us. It's about appreciating the delicate balance that keeps us alive and functioning. Any disruption to this balance, such as a stroke or a blockage, can have devastating consequences. It's about recognizing the importance of maintaining the health of this vital system. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine medical checkups are crucial for keeping this river flowing smoothly. This essay will take you on a journey through your own brain, exploring the fascinating process of blood flow and its impact on your life. We'll delve into how this river sustains your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and why it's so important to keep it healthy. Our journey begins with the heart, a relentless pump that drives the circulatory system. This muscular organ, roughly the size of a fist, works tirelessly from the moment it starts beating in the womb until the end of life. It is the engine that powers our entire body, ensuring that every cell receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. With each beat, the heart propels oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. The aorta then branches out into smaller arteries, distributing this vital fluid to various parts of the body. This process is crucial for sustaining life, as it ensures that all organs and tissues receive the oxygen they need to function properly. This surge of blood is the driving force behind the entire circulatory system, pushing blood through a complex network of arteries, veins, and capillaries. These blood vessels form an intricate web that reaches every corner of the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients while also removing waste products. The efficiency of this system is a marvel of biological engineering. The heart doesn't rest. It beats continuously throughout our lives, ensuring a constant supply of blood to every part of our body, including the brain. Each heartbeat is a testament to the heart's endurance and strength, pumping approximately 70 milliliters of blood with each contraction. Over a lifetime, this amounts to millions of liters of blood being circulated. This continuous pumping action is essential for maintaining blood pressure, which in turn ensures that blood reaches even the smallest capillaries. Blood pressure is a critical factor in the circulatory system, as it helps to push blood through the narrow and winding pathways of the capillaries, ensuring that every cell is nourished. The heart's role in blood flow is crucial, but it's only the beginning of the story. The circulatory system is a dynamic and responsive network, constantly adjusting to the body's needs. Whether you're resting or exercising, the heart and blood vessels work together to ensure that blood flow is optimized for the situation. The journey of blood from the heart to the brain is a complex one, involving a network of specialized blood vessels that ensure the brain receives the constant supply of oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. These vessels are uniquely adapted to protect the brain, filtering out harmful substances while allowing essential nutrients to pass through. This delicate balance is vital for maintaining brain health and function. From the aorta, blood embarks on an upward journey, carrying essential nutrients and oxygen to sustain life. Branching off into smaller arteries that lead towards the head, this journey is crucial for maintaining brain function. Two major pairs of arteries supply the brain: the internal carotid arteries and the vertebral arteries. The internal carotid arteries are located at the front of the neck, playing a vital role in delivering blood to the brain's anterior regions. Meanwhile, the vertebral arteries, situated at the back of the neck, ensure the posterior parts of the brain receive their share of blood. These arteries act like highways, channeling blood flow directly towards the brain, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. As these arteries approach the brain, they divide further into smaller vessels, creating an intricate network. This complex network ensures that every part of the brain receives an adequate blood supply, which is vital for its function. This intricate network is essential for delivering blood to specific regions of the brain, each responsible for different functions. Each region of the brain has a unique role, from controlling movement to processing sensory information and even managing emotions. This intricate network of arteries is a testament to the brain's critical importance, reflecting its complex and multifaceted nature. The brain, though only about 2% of our body weight, is a powerhouse of activity. It receives about 20% of the body's blood supply, underscoring its high demand for resources. This highlights the brain's constant need for energy and oxygen, even when we're at rest. The brain's activity never ceases, requiring a continuous supply of blood to function optimally. Neurons within the brain are constantly firing, communicating with each other through synapses, which requires a significant amount of energy. Whether we are thinking, moving, or even sleeping, the brain is always active, consuming energy to maintain its functions. The brain's blood vessels are dynamic, expanding and contracting to regulate blood flow based on the brain's needs at any given moment. Additionally, the brain has protective mechanisms like the blood-brain barrier, which ensures that only essential nutrients pass through while keeping harmful substances out. In the event of an injury, the brain's blood supply plays a crucial role in the healing process, delivering necessary components for repair and recovery. Overall, the brain's blood supply is fundamental to its function, supporting everything from basic survival to complex thought processes. At the base of the brain, a remarkable structure called the circle of Willis acts as a crucial safety net. This circle, formed by interconnected arteries, provides alternative routes for blood flow if one of the major arteries supplying the brain becomes blocked. This redundancy is vital for ensuring a continuous blood supply to the brain, even in the event of an obstruction. The circle of Willis is a testament to the body's remarkable ability to adapt and compensate. It's a safety mechanism that highlights the critical importance of maintaining a constant blood flow to the brain. This remarkable backup system underscores the brain's vulnerability and the body's ingenious solutions to protect it. The circle of Willis, though seemingly small, plays a monumental role in safeguarding our ability to think, feel, and experience the world around us. Section 5. Nourishing the mind, oxygen and glucose delivery. The ultimate destination of this intricate journey is the brain's capillaries, tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and glucose, the brain's primary energy source. These capillaries are so small that red blood cells must squeeze through them single file. This close contact allows for the efficient exchange of oxygen, glucose, and other essential nutrients. Imagine these capillaries as intricate networks of canals, delivering their precious cargo to every corner of the brain. This constant supply of oxygen and glucose is what fuels our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Without it, the brain would quickly shut down. The journey of blood through the brain is not just about transportation. It's about sustaining life at its most fundamental level. It's about delivering the essential ingredients that allow our brains to function, to think, to feel, and to experience the world around us. Section 6. The aging brain, a matter of flow. As we age, our blood vessels naturally lose some of their elasticity. This can lead to reduced blood flow throughout the body, including the brain. This age-related decline in blood flow can affect cognitive function, making it more challenging to learn new things, remember information, and perform complex tasks. Imagine a garden hose that's become slightly stiffer over time. The water pressure might decrease, making it less effective at delivering water to the plants. Similarly, as our blood vessels stiffen, the flow of blood to the brain can become less efficient. While aging is a natural process, there are steps we can take to maintain the health of our blood vessels and support optimal blood flow to the brain. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and mental stimulation can all play a role in keeping our brains sharp as we age. Section 7. Exercising your mind and body for better flow. The good news is that simple lifestyle choices can significantly impact brain blood flow. Regular physical activity, even something as simple as a brisk walk, can increase blood flow to the brain, delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients. Exercise is like a workout for your blood vessels, helping them stay flexible and resilient. Similarly, engaging in mentally stimulating activities like reading, puzzles, or learning a new language can also boost blood flow to specific brain regions. These activities challenge our brains, forcing them to create new neural connections and strengthen existing ones. By incorporating these activities into our daily routines, we can actively support brain health and maintain optimal cognitive function as we age. Remember, a healthy brain is a happy brain, and a happy brain is essential for a fulfilling life. Section 8, fueling focus, blood flow and cognitive function. Have you ever noticed how your focus sharpens after a good workout or a mentally engaging activity? That's no coincidence. Increased blood flow to the brain enhances our ability to concentrate, solve problems, and tap into our creativity. When blood flow is optimal, our brains are like well-oiled machines firing on all cylinders. Think of it like this: when we engage in activities that require focus and mental effort, specific areas of our brain light up with activity. This increased activity demands more oxygen and nutrients, which are delivered by the bloodstream. So the next time you need to tackle a challenging task, remember the power of blood flow. A brisk walk, a few minutes of meditation, or even just a few deep breaths can make a world of difference in your ability to focus and perform at your best.